Hey everyone, welcome back to Chanel Romaine Art, where we're going to create this piece that you see. I'm starting with a brown background. Now for some of my abstract paintings, I do not preconceive a lot of these ideas. Some of them just come through experience, just working with paint and different techniques. Some of these ideas come through inspiration, but yeah, I just go with the flow of whatever I'm feeling in that moment. I try to allow the colors to speak to me and how I want to go with each painting, which direction I want to go. Feel free to use whatever colors you like to use if you're recreating this piece. But yeah, it's very fun. The beginning of it reminds me of a video game actually. But anyway, I just take a lot of colors that complement each other, in my opinion, and creating some balance. But eventually you're going to see me subtract these colors as well. So stay tuned. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe and like this video, and I look forward to the next one. If you have questions, let me know. I'm going to try to put everything in the description box below as well. This here is a 16 by 20 canvas that I probably bought from Michael's. It's an old canvas, and a lot of this paint is paint either from Hobby Lobby or Michael's Arts and Crafts.